How to make a request for an accommodated test during the ATS exam period. In this video, you will learn how to make requests during the ATS exam period and what is the difference between making requests for the term period and the ATS exam period. If this is your first time making a request for an accommodated test, please refer to the previous videos, Accommodated Testing Services Part 1 and Part 2. To make a request for an assessment written during the ATS exam period, proceed to the Accommodated Testing Services page and click on the Request Accommodated Testing button. On this page, you will be asked to select the period for when your assessment will be written. In this example, if you would like to make a request for a term assessment during the term period, which is from January 2nd to April 10th, then select the first option. However, if you would like to make a request for a term assessment or final exam that is written between April 11th and 29th, then select the second option. After you've selected the assessment period, then select the course you are making the request for. If you have selected a course that does not have any scheduled assessments available, then you must submit your request using the alternate registration form. However, if your selected course has scheduled assessments, then you can choose from the drop-down list. For this example, there are two scheduled assessments available, a standard test and a standard exam. Notice, if there is no location on the option, then you must state whether your instructor indicated that you must complete this assessment in person or not. However, if you selected standard exam, you will not be asked to complete this question, and from here you can review your assessment details, including the class writing date, time limit, and location. Afterwards, you can review your accommodations, opt in or out of your optional accommodations if you have any, and then submit your request. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn how to navigate to your bookings dashboard or make another request, please refer to the previous video, Accommodated Testing Services Part 2, How to Request an Accommodated Test.